I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother Joe. This is Mommy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Hiccups. Peppa, Joe, Mommy and Daddy are having breakfast. It is a lovely sunny day, and Peppa and Joe can't wait to go into the garden to play. Mommy, please, can we go out to play? You can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. Joe, don't drink your juice too quickly. Joe drank his juice too quickly, and now he has hiccups. Can we go out to play now, Mommy? Not really. Joe has hiccups, but Joe his hiccups have gone. Mommy, haven't they, Joe? Oh, all right. You can go out and play. But look after Joe. Peppa and Joe love playing in the garden. Joe, I'm gonna throw the ball. And then you have to catch it. Joe, please stop hiccups, Pig. Joe, now you throw the ball to me and I have to catch it. Bang! Joe! Oh dear! Joe hiccups are spoiling the games. Joe, I know how to cure hiccups. You have to do what I says. Rub the top of your head and rub your tummy. Good, now your hiccups have gone. Peppa curled for hiccups. Doesn't seem to have worked. Joe, you have done it all wrong. I know a better way to cure hiccups. I know a better way to cure hiccups. First, jump up and down 3 times on one leg. Now wave your arm up and down and stick your tongue out. And now close your eyes and turn around quickly 3 times. Peppa knew Carl hasn't worked either. Joe still has hiccups. I know. To cure hiccups, the eye piggy must be give a shock. Joe, I'm going to scare you. But you must remember it's only a game. And it stopped your hiccups. Remember, this is just pretend scary. Peppa, you mustn't play too roughly with Joe. He's only little. Sorry, Mommy. I was just trying to stop Joe's hiccups. Joe's hiccups have gone. Here comes Daddy Pig with 2 beakers of juice. Joe, if you drink too quickly, you will get hiccups again. I'm not as leader as Joe. I can drink just as quickly as I want to.